Hey everyone, today we're going to go and do a walkthrough of a SEDA home, S-E-D-A. It is a new construction home over in Amelia Island area, Yulee, Fernandina Beach area. This one here is the model. Just kind of give you an idea of what the houses look like over here. This is probably a good, 12, 15 minutes to the area of the ocean, and you're about maybe 7 minutes to the I-95 corridor. You're not that far away from A1A, so it's real easy to try and get to everything in the Jacksonville market. So let's take a look. So as you can see, the community, the majority of the homes are pretty good sized. Use architectural shingle, of course, new upgrades that are going to be out throughout the entire homes. This is one of the models that are here. This is going to be a 3-bedroom with a bonus room as the office. A nice 8-foot door. Kind of come in and you see a little bit of dining room area. Now 10-foot ceilings in this one, really good size. It has, you can use this as a office, a bonus room, from a living room, however you want to do it. Come down the hallway and come back towards the kitchen. So this is the master area, or the main room floor area. Again, really good size. You get the cane lights versus all you're required for ceiling fans. Very nice kitchen. And they either have granite or quartz as their countertops now, so this is not the same as what it used. 42-inch cabinets. This area here is an add-on. This is underneath, of course, the way they have their office washer and dryer set up. It still shows you a little bit of the size of what they have there. Formal dining room again. We'll step back around. Over on this side are the spare bedrooms. So good sized bedroom, and they will do carpet standard in the spare bedrooms. But I mean, it's really nice. Probably a 9x12 room. Have spare bathroom. Very nice. The other spare bedroom. Again, a 9x12. Very tastefully decorated. Good sized closet. I'm going to come across. The master is located on the opposite side, so you do have a split floor plan. And you have a master suite, so you have a master bedroom. And this one here is going to have the trade ceilings. Really good sized room. Now the color wall and everything else is standard on, so it's added on afterwards. Very good sized closet. And then double sinks with the makeup counter inserts. You can end up doing makeup or whatever place where you can kind of sharp your legs. The water closet, good sized shower. It is a step down, but it's a good sized shower here. And then of course you have a tub. Does not have the jets on it. And back this way. Good sized back patio. Now, this is a smaller size lot. It's kind of an angle. Not all of them are going to be screened in. But if they do the pack patio, they generally have the neighbors back there. And this yard goes all the way over towards that direction. So it's a good size yard. So if you'd like this home and want to know more information about it, give me a call. Comments down below. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see other videos.